We're here at gotomath.com working some calculus. Let's go down here to the first derivative test, and I believe we're looking at 9-2. Alright, it says find our relative minimum maximum points. So we'll want to write this down. Of course, we can tell by looking at the graph here where this maximum is occurring, as you can see here, but we'll need to work that out. All right. So let's bring up the whiteboard and write down everything we got. We need to move that over. Somehow that got off a little bit. Not sure how that happened. Okay. So we've got h of x is equal to negative x minus 4. That's quantity squared plus 2. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and find the derivative. And we'll bring that 2 out front. Subtracting 1 from the exponent, and of course derivative of 2 is 0. Let's set this thing equal to 0. Of course we'll plug c in for x here because we're looking for the critical number. So what is going to make this 0? Well, when c is 4. c is 4. So we found our critical number. Then of course we're going to do a number line. We're going to plug 4 here on the number line. Then we're going to choose a test point, and 0 is a good one always. And then we'll just choose 5. Whoops. Yeah, that got a little nasty there. Okay, so now the next thing we want to do is go ahead and plug our test points in and test, find if this is a negative or a positive number that we get out. So we plug 0 in, we're going to have a negative times a negative, and so that's going to end up being a positive number, and I'm just going to put a positive here. Actually, I guess I could put 0 in. Let's see, so that'd be negative 2 times negative 4 is 8. Right, so that's positive. So we know the graph is increasing from negative infinity up to 4, but not including 4. Graph is increasing. And then we're going to do h prime, do our other test point, and that was 5. Okay, plugging 5 in. And of course 5 minus 4 is 1, so 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. So that's a negative number. And we know the graph now is decreasing. So increasing, decreasing, this must be a maximum. Okay, of course we're calling it a relative maximum. Alright, so 4 is a max. We'll just say that, and then the point where that maximum is occurring is going to be at 4 comma, and of course we got to find out what that is. So we find that y value by plugging 4 back into the original, and we end up 4 minus 4 is 0, and so we end up with 2. So that is occurring at 4, 2. So let's check that out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, and up 2. Okay, that's pretty good. Right, so we work some easy problems so that you get the hang of it. Right. Okay, so come on over, go to math, and you might talk to me there. Bye.